How to create a shared Google Drive folder. This tutorial shows you how to set one up and generate a link so others can access it. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. After that, select Folder from the pop-up. At this point, give the folder a name. Following this, tap Create. From here, open that new folder once it's created. At this stage, tap the plus icon again to start adding files. Following this, tap Upload. From here, select the files, photos, or whatever you want to add to the folder. At this stage, tap Upload to confirm. Give it a moment while everything finishes uploading into the folder. Following this, once your files are in there, tap the three dots at the top right of the folder. From here, look for General Access and tap Change. At this stage, switch it from Restricted to anyone with the link. Following this, set their role to Viewer, unless you specifically want to give someone editing or admin access to the folder. From here, tap the link icon at the top right to copy the link to your clipboard. At this stage, open WhatsApp or any other messaging app and paste the link to send it. That's how you create a shared Google Drive folder. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.